बट ज़्यादा ऊपर से मत फेंकना भाई, नीचे से फेंकना। So this is the Honor X9b. It's claimed to be an unbreakable phone, but is it really? So हम इसको कर रहे हैं test. I'm gonna drop this phone about 100 times.
What?
And see if it survives. So जैसा कि आपने देखा, एक drop हमने कर दिया है and the screen survives. I'm gonna do it a second time and let's see what goes. और अभी भी the screen is intact as you can see. थोड़े से bubbles आ गए हैं, but the screen is intact. Still nothing. 5. Guys, this is drop number 6. Let's go. एकदम सही.
जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे.
7. एयर बबल्स आ गए हैं थोड़े से, but the screen remains intact after 8 drops. 9th drop, my friends, nothing yet. 9th drop. So impressed, Jay sir bought the phone himself. जरा दिखाना था फोन अपना. Oh shit. Oh god. Very casual, but my friends, this is the 13th drop, and the phone has still survived. Only air bubbles, no scratches or cracks so far.
नहीं टूटेगा, टूटेगा, नहीं टूटेगा, टूटेगा, नहीं टूटेगा, मैं कहता हूं टूटेगा, नहीं टूटेगा।
So हल्का सा लेवल अप करते हैं, रोड पे गिरा के देखते हैं if the Honor X9b survives. We have already done 19 drops. Now the 20th should be special. गंदा जरूर हो गया भाई, मगर 20 drops. Still no cracks on the Honor X9b screen.
ठीक है, मैं तोड़ कर दिखाता हूँ, दिखाओ पहले।
21 drops, my friends. Still nothing. But ज़्यादा ऊपर से मत फेंकना भाई, नीचे से फेंकना। But ज़्यादा ऊपर से मत फेंकना भाई, नीचे से फेंकना।
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
भाई अभी तो फीका ही नहीं है.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं फेंकना ब्रो.
भाई मैं खरीदूंगा, टेस्ट करके ही तो खरीदूंगा.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
भाई मैं खरीदूंगा, टेस्ट करके ही तो खरीदूंगा.
अरे भाई
खत्म.
gone. So my friends, 22 drops the Honor X9b survived. The 23rd drop also it would have survived. थोड़ा सा बंदे ना smash कर दिया phone. It's of course if you smash the thing it is gonna break. But overall, dropping the phone did not break the display. So it is to some extent unbreakable. But yes, of course, if you smash it like the guy here, then everything will break. So that has been established. This is a tough phone. No smashes it survives. Nothing will survive if you aim to smash it and break it. But overall, it's a very tough phone. That has been established. And to see more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel Digit Mobile and hit the bell icon every time if you want to be notified every time we drop a new video. I am Dara Mansoor Ali. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.